Welcome back to the Checkout Guide. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to create a 5% cap discount up to 200 for all customers using discount code in your Shopify store. So if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, I have used Next Discount Cap Limit app from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. Once installed, go to your Shopify admin panel. Then search for Next Discount Cap Limit app. Then click on Create New Discount. Then enter the discount title as flat 5% off. Then copy that same title and click on discount code and enter the discount code same as the discount title. Then click on percentage and enter the discount in percentage and enter the capping amount as 200 and select discount applies to all products. And if you have any minimum purchase requirements, then you can select it here. As of now, I am here selecting no minimum purchase requirement and select customer eligibility for all the customers. You can also limit number of times this discount can be used in total. And you can also limit to one use per customer. And if you want to set the start date and time and end date and time, then you can also select it from here. And if you want to combine this product discount with any another discount, then you can also select it from here. Then save your changes. Now we will test this setup on our online store. Go to your online store and add product to the cart. For example, I am adding this product to the cart. Firstly, I will enter the test address here. So now I will enter the discount code here. And then click on apply. So the discount has been applied and the 5% of 5,000 is 250, but it is not exceeding the capping amount as we have set. But it is not exceeding the capping amount. Now I will try to test with any another product which doesn't exceed the capping amount. For example, for this product, now I will enter the test address. And I will enter the discount code here. And then click on apply. So as you know, 5% of 700 is 35. So that's it. You have successfully created a cap discount for 5% off for 200 rupees and for all the customers using this discount code. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and happy selling.